Let's go over how to manage your recordings. When you make a recording, it's saved on your local computer. By default, these recordings are stored under your Documents folder. But you can organize it into separate folders by clicking the folder icon in the upper left corner to switch between folders you've used, or browse to select a new folder. When you are viewing a folder, you'll have options to create recordings, import recordings, search for recordings, or to modify how the recordings are displayed. For example, the current view is sorted to show recordings based on when they were last modified, putting most recently modified recordings first. It will group recordings based on time. As we see with this Last Week group, you can click on Show All to expand a group if there are more recordings not visible. You can manage the recordings in this current folder by clicking on the Manage Recordings box. This will give you the option to copy, move, export, or delete recordings from this folder. Export means to compress a recording into a SOMREC file, which you can then transport to another computer and use the import option to import that recording. To perform one of these actions, you'd first select the recording and then choose an action button. For example, if we copy this recording, we will get a list of folders we've previously used or the option to browse for another folder. Or we can delete this recording, which will mark it for deletion, but the actual deletion doesn't happen unless you close the application. Or you can come up here and choose to undelete or commit delete to trash the recording right away. Thank you for watching this tutorial.